Under Donald Trump, the United States is now officially being declared a national security threat to Denmark. A Denmark intelligence agency, in their official annual report, is calling the United States a threat to Denmark's sovereignty, a threat to the sovereignty of Greenland, which is a territory within the Kingdom of Denmark. As we're learning about Denmark declaring Trump's United States right now, unfortunately, as a security threat, we have the Trump regime also attacking the International Criminal Court, and they are demanding that the charter for the International Criminal Court be amended immediately to prohibit any war crimes investigations into Donald Trump or Hegseth as a result of the conduct that they are engaged in right now. Donald Trump says he will sanction and attack the International Criminal Court if they don't amend their charter to say that Trump and his war criminals in his cabinet get absolute immunity. And Donald Trump is also saying that the International Criminal Court needs to drop all investigations and all claims against Netanyahu as well. Or Trump says he will further attack the International Criminal Court, go after their judges, go after their prosecutors, and try to ruin their lives in the United States of America. Let's just break down everything that's happening. So today, this Danish intelligence report was released as reported by Bloomberg, but we've got a copy of the report here as well. And the intelligence agency for the first time describes the United States as a potential security threat alongside China, alongside Russia, signaling a shift in the Nordic country's view of its former close ally as a result of the attacks on its sovereignty. So this intelligence agency, known as the Danish Defense Intelligence Service, one of the key espionage agencies in the Nordic nation, says the U.S. is increasingly prioritizing its own interests and using economic and technological strength as a tool of power against allies and partners, in my opinion, doing Putin's bidding. Now, while this Danish threat assessment's released, here's what Reuters reported, a great scoop by their international team. The Trump regime wants the International Criminal Court to amend its founding document and commit to not investigating Donald Trump and his top officials, an administration official told Reuters, adding that this ask has been made known to courts and allies. If the ICC does not act on this U.S. demand and two others, drop investigations of Israeli leaders over Gaza, and formally end an earlier probe of U.S. troops over their actions in Afghanistan, Washington may penalize more ICC officials and can sanction the court as well. Yep. So not only is the United States not a member of the International Criminal Courts, but the U.S. is openly hostile to an entity that prosecutes war crimes and genocide.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about a very interesting and surprising news story. This story is going around on YouTube and social media. It says that Denmark has called the United States a major security threat. Many people are shocked by this, but is this news true? But is this news true? And why did Denmark say this? Let's understand everything in this video. What is happening? On December 10, 2025, Denmark's Defense Intelligence Service released a report. This is a very yearly report. It talks about security and threats to Denmark. For the first time, Denmark included the United States USA in the report. The report says that the USA is a possible security threat. What does this mean? It does not mean USA is an enemy. It means Denmark is carefully and want to watch USA actions closely. Denmark is saying some things USA does may cause problems for us. Why did why did Denmark say this? There are a few important reasons. Number one, the reporter says the big countries like the USA are not focusing on their own interests more. They are not always helping other countries first. They sometimes use their power to get what they want. They could include use money, technology, or politics to influence others. Denmark feels that USA may sometimes use its power in way that could be risky for Denmark or others allies. Second reasons. One big reason is Greenland. Greenland is part of Denmark. USA has shown interest in Greenland many times. Sometimes USA talk about heavy control on influencing in Greenland. The Arctic region is very important for the world now. USA actions in Greenland and the Arctic make Denmark worried about security. And second reasons, the reporters also talk about USA change politicians, USA change policies. Sometimes USA say it will help uh, Europe or allies, but sometimes it's change its mind. It's make countries like Denmark feel uncertain. Denmark want to be careful because it is a small country. Small countries need to plan for power before they happen. What did the video say? The video on YouTube say Denmark calls USA a major security threat. This is true, but we need to understand that the details. The reporters does not say USA is an enemy. It say USA is a possible security risk. The video may make it sound scary or dramatic, but the reporter is only a warning. Denmark want to watch USA actions carefully, not fight with USA. What does security threats means? A security threat is some things that many case dangers or problems for a country. In this case, Denmark is saying USA may do things in the future that could cause problems for us. It is a possible risk, not a guaranteed, not a guaranteed problems. Not a guaranteed problems. Denmark is just being careful and prepared. So this is not a war or fight. It is planning and catching. Does this means Denmark hits USA? No, Denmark and USA are allies. They are both part of NATO, a, a group of countries that help each others. Denmark is just saying we need to watch closely. They are not planning to attack USA. They are only thinking about safety and security. Each thought it sounds surprising. It is normal for countries to check risk even from friends. Why is the important for the world? The news is important because it shows big countries are changing. USA is now more focused on its own interests. Other countries are nothing. Other countries are noticing others alliance are not 100% safe. Uh, Denmark is saying even friends may act in ways that create risk. Small countries need to be careful. Arctic and Greenland are sensitive areas. Greenland has Greenland has natural resources. USA want influence there. Denmark is protecting its territory. Plan ahead is smart. Denmark is bring quotations. It is better to plan for risk before they happen. How should we understand this news? When we watch video like this, we should remember some video use scary words to do more views. The facts may be true, but the video may makes it look worse than it is. Denmark is not fighting USA. Denmark is just thinking ahead and being careful. So always read the actually report or trusted news resources to understand the truth. What experts say, experts and reporters say this is a first time warning. Denmark has never included USA like this before. USA is still an ally, but Denmark is aware to risk. This shows the world is changing, alliance and friendships are more complicated now. So Denmark is thinking ahead, not making enemies. What can USA and Denmark do? Talk to others, talk to each other. Diplomacy is important. They should discussing Congress clearly plan together. NATO countries can plan for security and corporations. Avoid misunderstandings. USA should understand Denmark is not against it. Denmark should explain its questions. Summary. Friends heard in the summary, Denmark called USA position security threats for the first time. This does not mean USA is an enemy. Reason include USA global policies, Greenland's Arctic and unclarity. The reporters is a warning, not a war plan. Denmark and USA are still allies. The world is changing and country must plan and the careful. Watch news carefully, do not panic and understand the facts first. Final thought, this news many surprising many people, but remember, countries always watch each other, even friends. Reporters like this are normal in diplomacy and security. Dynamic is being careful, not hostiles. Hostels. USA should understand it and continue working with allies. So this is lessons for everyone. Every friend needs catchings in today words. Alliances are strong, but planning and answerness are important. Thank you for watching my video.